Identify the option that logically continues to the sequence. The answer is right, number 1, because shading rotate clockwise in the squares. Let's go next question. Question number 6. Examine the sequence of circles. Some have dots inside and others are empty. Identify the rule behind these changes and select the correct circle to continue the sequence. The answer is right, number 3, because circle alternate between empty and dotted. Let's go another question. Question number 7. Each square contains different pattern of the shapes inside. Notice how the patterns change in a sequence. Determine the next logical shape. The answer is right, number 4, because pattern inside boxes shift step by step. Let's go another questions. Question number 8. This series include 4 symbols: heart, shade, diamond and color. Identifying the correct symbols that logically follows the sequence. The answer is right, number 1, because the sequence follows suitable symbols: heart, spade and diamond. Question number 9. Here you will observe a grid with lines intersecting in a pattern. Check how the lines are added or removed in the sequences and pick the correct options. The answer is right, number 1, because grid lines alternate and cross in a set orders. Let's go another question. Question number 10. This is a series of geometric shapes: triangles, circles and squares. Note the change in the arrangement or shading. Select the shape that fits logically next. The answer is right, number 3, because geometric shapes alternate shading and positions. Let's go. From the given options, one shape is different from the rest. Compare their edges, angles and structure to determine the odds one out. The answer is right, number 4. The answer is right, number 4. Let's go another question. Question number 12. Another odds one out question. Look closely at the shapes and find the one that does not follow the same pattern or design. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 4, because a different shape has no matching angles. Let's go another questions. Question number 13. This is an odd on out question. Among the given shapes, find the one that different in design, size or orientations. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 4, because one shape is flipped or rotated differently. Let's go another question. Question number 14. Look at the patterns inside the squares. Pay attention to the directions and positions of the diagonal lines, identifying the square that does not fit with the others. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 4, because lines inside the square differ in orientations. Let's go another questions. Question number 15. This question involves a set of 3D shapes. Look at how each shape is structured and oriented. Find the one that is different. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 1, because the odd 3D shape is not aligned with others. Let's go another questions. Question number 16. Here, a square of geometric shapes is given. Notice the movement or change in the arrangement. Determine the correct shape to complete the sequence. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 5. Because shapes combine in specific orientations. Let's go another question. Question number 17. This is a pattern matching questions. Observe the change in the design of triangle and rectangles. Identify the option that complete the sequence logically. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 1. Because shaded pattern in triangle follow a simple schematic sequence. Let's go another question. Question number 18. The sequence in these questions have different line pattern. Check the direction and shading of the lines. Choose the square that logically fits as the next in the sequence. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 3. Because shading inside squares a herinates position step by step. The second name was puzzles. This is a puzzle. Let's go another question. Question number 19. Look at the squares divided by diagonal lines. Focus on how the shading or division changes step by step. Identifying to complete the sequence the correct square to complete the sequence. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 1. Because diagonal lines and shading patterns rotate. Let's go another question. Question number 20. In this question, smaller shapes like circles are inside larger squares. Observe the position and arrangement of the circle. Pick the square that continue the pattern. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 4. Because circle placement inside the squares follow a clockwise rule. Let's go another question. Question number 21. This sequence involves grids with changing line patterns. Analyze how the lines are added or removed. Choose the grid that logically fits as the next. Find the answer. The answer is right, number 2. Because lines inside grids appear or disappear systematically. Thank you for watching everyone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and hit that subscribe button. For more contents, I love to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you for so much. My name is Mohammed Hassan.